Hey guys, okay, I know we're echoing now. It's feeding time, if you're wondering what the dogs are barking about. So, I gotta take the pictures off the wall and stack them in the other room and get the little photo desk into the other room. I think I'm going to put it on top of the bed, I don't know. So, let me move all this and then I'll show you the negative space and then oh, I know. It's getting there. Oh, Nosy Rosie's in here. Yep, Jake. What's up, Jake? Oh, I know. See? Miss Nosy Furzy. Okay, so I will be back in a few minutes. Okay, guys. I know. So this is what the place looked like when we moved in. Let's see. 13 years ago? Going on 14 maybe? I know. You know, that's still full of John's clothes and stuff. But, well, one thing at a time. And then the closet that we made, because it was just wasted space. So, you know, and we needed some shelves. So eventually, I'm going to fix that like I wanted it to. But anyway, right now, I know as you can tell, it's got a lot of John's medicines. I got to grab all of them together and bring them to that store. I mean, to the Walgreens place to dump them. So then you might ask, well, where do you store all this stuff? Well, you store it all in this other room. Chock full on the bed, all against the wall. Oh my gosh, I know. Got so much junk in here. But, you know, like all that will be donated. But I know. And then that's all my coffee dye stuff. So, well, yeah. So there we go. Hopefully soon. Well, one more baby step. So we'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys. Hi, guys. All right, so I thought I'd show you where we're at. I got Jack to take the trim off of these doors out here in this little hallway because I will probably paint that too, but looky. I know. He's got all the stuff off of here, all the trim. He started sanding, but the problem with this crazy paint is that it peels. So I think he's gonna peel this wall and then hopefully, I told him if we just gently scored in the middle, oops, gently scored here so the paint wouldn't peel any further, maybe we could seal it and everything. But it's like, and that's been my whole complaint, this room and the front room, I don't know what kind of paint they use, but whenever you hit it with something, it just gouges it and then the paint peels. So, I know they had stupid TVs hanging in the corner like hospital rooms. That's so dumb. I hated that. Can't wait to patch that up. But, yeah, so hopefully he can get that wall peeled because he was only here a couple hours yesterday. And then hopefully he can get the wall peeled. That way he can sand it with the sander to take all the rough bumps and stuff off of it from obviously a dirty wall that was painted over. And then, yep, so we shall see because he's going out of town, him and his family, this weekend. So whatever he doesn't get done today, we'll have to wait till next week to get going. But, oh, it feels good. So, I know that's stupid. Plumbing access to the plumbing to the bathroom. Every bathroom has that. It's huge. It's a big plastic thing. You can't paint it, can't cover it over. I mean, it's dumb. But anyway, I mean, good grief. So, and it's like when you go in there, the plumbing, the hole is way too big for whatever plumbing's behind there. But that's what's in here. We tried to remove this, but I think that's flipping glued to the wall. Anyway, doesn't matter. But so I just thought I'd show you where we're at, and we'll see what the end of today brings, because he's coming after school today. So we shall see. Oh, you see those weeds growing out there? I know. What's it doing today? Raining again. I know I need to get a goat, tie it up, make it eat. Anyway. Oh, and look at those weeds over here. I know the window's dirty, but well, this is the way the weather always comes on this side of the house. But I know. Oh, got to push mower that, but got to stop raining. It's supposed to rain for 4 more days. But you see all the trees? I know they needed to grow, but anyway. All right, well. Jake's in here. He's the only one that will come in this room. Everybody else is scared to death to come in here. So, but anyway. All right. Well, I'll see y'all after today's, and we'll see where we're at. All right. Bye, guys. Okay, guys. So, this is it, all ready to be painted. They sanded over there. Hopefully, we can save that and not have to worry about it. Jack sanded all the walls. Got all the bumps out. So, let's see what happens after this. All right. See ya. Hey, guys. All right. Well, I know Jack didn't come until late, so he only gave me 2 hours. And then he was going to leave it. And I told him, no, you promised me he was going to be done before y'all went on vacation. So, I know, cannot wait to get rid of that ugly green, which now looks like brown. It's like a brown green. It's ugly, ugly, ugly. So, yep. And as you can tell, the clouds are rolling in. I know, I can't wait to be able to look outside. I'm sure I complain about the bright light. I had a dream that I couldn't craft because it was too bright in here. I know, of all crazy things. But, little girl came in, the plastic's off the wall. So they're sniffing the painter's tarp that Jack brought. Hey, little girl. No, too busy. Oh, I know, always Jake's in here. So, well, we will see. He promised to be here by 8:30 today. Semi-promise, because when he told me that, I'm like, well, you promised yesterday you'd be here at 1:30. I said, if you were here at 1:30, you would have had this done. Oh, Doesn't that right there look like a little girl with her ponytail out and her little hand, and she's got like a little tree or something? I know, isn't that crazy? Anyway, so, well, we'll see what happens today. If he doesn't show up, 1, I'll be upset. 2, I'll be painting the damn place myself because I'm ready to get it over with. I want to get the desk out of my truck that I've been driving around with for 4 months so I can assemble it and put it together, which I'm sure is going to take forever, but anyway. So I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. All right, so Jack came and finished the paint. I know it's hard to kind of see the color, but because it's still cloudy outside and all that good stuff, but it's done. Now to assemble the desk and see what I can get done. I know, I'm kind of wondering, I might need to do the trim on the bottom. Oh, in the windows. Oh my gosh. Because you know, once I start putting junk in here, that'll be it. It'll never happen. So, I don't know. I guess I can, anyway, I don't know. So, but, ta-da. color feels just so great. And it's so nice to not have that ugliness in here. Okay, so this is going to be it for now, and then I will start some more once I get some other things done and going. But I will probably put the desk together, and at least I have a place to create. But I know Jake's checking it out. What you see, Jake? What is this room? What? You don't know? You're not sure? Oh, tell him. All right, that's loudmouth. He's so rotten. All right, so I will see y'all on the next one. So this is going to be it for the soon-to-be new crafting area space. Oh, anyway, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, guys.